righteous, even when I wasn't wrong. And we spoke about friendship till our friends gave me up as a fake for the season. For which reason he wanted to tell me this truth. He wanted to tell me these things as a friend. He wanted to tell me, but he didn't.